So today is day 4, right? We will start with another program. So I will share my screen. Yeah, is my screen visible? It's loading, right?
Yes,
Is
sir.
it okay? So this is the program today you have to try. The program is write a program to do the below. Assign a number to the variable. The variable name should be day of week. Okay, so you should create a variable with this name and you can assign any number from 0 to 7. Okay, then if the number is 1, then print Sunday. If it is 2, print Monday, etc. until 7. If it is 7, print Saturday. Is the program clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It's a very simple program, just one variable declaration, and you have to use if else. Using the if, else if, else if, else if, like that 7 times it should come. Can you start trying it now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll give 15 minutes time so we can discuss the answer by 8:25. You create a new package as day 4, and inside that you create a new class, and inside that class you write the program. Is that clear? So see here, I am sharing my screen. You can go to the same project. You have a project, right? In the same project, you have an SRC folder, source folder, right? Here you right click and you create a new package and give the package name as day 4. So it's like a folder. We will place all our files, whatever program we do today, under this folder. So you right click this folder day 4 and new class. You can go day 4 program and you can select the public static void main and then finish. So here you will have the auto generated. Here you write the logic. Is it clear, Joshika and Lakya?
Yes, sir.
Okay.